today here on Chef Dawg. We're going to be doing cordon bleus. You get these at Costco. They've gone up in price, of course, like everything else, but they're a little over 13. They come raw. So the raw stuffed chicken breast by Pi'erre, breaded whole breast fillet. Now, do not microwave. It says it right here on the back. And the instructions are preheat to 375, cook it. If you have 1 to 2 breasts, between 41 and 43 minutes. If you do more than that, it's 46 to 48. Okay, so, and a note, if you cook it in a glass baking pan, it says it could take longer to cook. So they recommend a flat metal baking sheet. So I pulled that out. But I recommend take some cooking spray, put that over, I do some aluminum foil. Spray that on so it doesn't stick to it when you take it off. If you don't, it will stick to that aluminum and you'll rip off aluminum with it. This is what they look like. They come in packs like that. Again, remember they're raw, so you need to cook them all the way and get them to at least 165 internal temperature. That's the key with most things that are chicken or poultry. We're gonna make 6 of them. I already have the oven preheated. Okay, quick nutritional facts. Has 310 calories. Calories from fat, 100. Protein though, 32 grams of protein, 20 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber. So there you go. Pretty simple. Put them on a pan and cook it. Again, I'm gonna set my timer for about, 46 minutes, even though it says between 46 and 48. I'll check it, and if stuff's pouring out the side of it like it normally does, maybe I'll test it. We'll see. Okay, I'll see you in about 45 minutes. As I look in there, you see it's already, stuff's gooing out the side. So I wanna check the temperature real fast, see what we got. 8 minutes left, and I'm at 162 and climbing. Oh, I'm gonna be at 160. I'm at 163. I'm at 164. I'm at 165. Let me check another one. I'll stick it in some thicker stuff. Let's just see. I have a convection oven here, so it might cook faster than maybe a normal one, but with 7 minutes left, I was already done. So I put it in for 46 minutes. It was done at like 39. Let's get it out. Once you start to see stuff popping out the side, check it. Once you pull it out, it says you're supposed to wait 3 minutes. Now remember, I sprayed that. Watch, if you do that, it comes right up. Doesn't stick to it at all. And I love to grab this stuff right here. Ooh. there you go. See? Look, that's even slightly sticking, and I sprayed it. So make sure to spray it. Here you go, folks. We're gonna test this out. Okay, I'm gonna cut this in half. You can see the inside of it. What it looks like. Got the melted cheese in there with your ham. Smells delicious. We love the cordon bleus here from Costco. Ham on there, get some cheese on there, give it a bite. Super yummy. Love the cordon bleus. In fact, I'd say they're my favorite cordon bleus that you buy at any store, or this brand from Costco. Okay, and another thing we're gonna do, this is what my wife likes to make and put over the top of our cordon bleus. Also, we use this as a gravy. It'll be real easy to make. We'll just, the instructions are simple to follow, but she's gonna make some of this and show you how she makes it and how it turns out, but we dump that over the top of our gravy and the cordon bleus. Recipe in it what, real quick, sweetie?
The recipe is 1 cup milk, 1/4 cup butter, put it in your saucepan, stir, let it bubble.
And dump that in?
And you put that in the saucepan with milk.
With milk and butter.
Yeah, and stir it.
Dump this in?
It's already dumped.
Why do you dump this in first?
I put that in first, then I put the milk in, and then I put the butter in.
I would think to put the...
And we are done.
Well, there you go. So this stuff right here, we really like. You can get that pretty much anywhere, I guess. What, Walmart? Is that where you got it? Got it at Walmart? This is what it looks like when it's done. Recommend this? Yes, big one. We like it. All the above. The whole family likes it. Pretty much everybody in our family likes this. So, hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Remember to subscribe, like, share, all those other things we need to do to our channel to grow. And yummy, yummy. That's good. All right, hey, have a good one. Bye.